sublimating these masks that I have for a client. All right, so I want to show you how I measure out the design that I have for the mask, and then I'm going to show you how I position the design in my software, and then I'll show you how I press it. So this is the mask right here. So I have my matte, my Silhouette Cameo 3. This is the matte for that one. So as you see right here, each of these little blocks is an inch. So how I do it is, if you see here, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'll do it like 3 by 3 right in the middle. So when I do my design based off of how I put it in the software, I'll just gauge it by the way this mat is. So hold tight, we're gonna go to the software and I'm gonna show you guys how I lay it out. I'm gonna go ahead and stretch this one out right and just duplicate this one the size that it is. Yep, so I'm gonna get these all laid out, and then I'm gonna show you me printing them out, and then I'm going to show you the pressing process. So stay tuned. So I got my handy dandy paper cutter here. All I'm gonna do is go ahead and cut these designs out. Cut these designs out blade perspective. Cut these designs out, and then I'll just be pressing one on the mask at a time. All right. It looks like the ink here was a little light, but it won't show up like that on the mask itself. So let's get to pressing. So I could cut this, or I could press this mask with my easy press, but I don't know, for some reason I would just prefer to just like press it down, and it seems to work decent that way. You want to make sure that your seams are on the inside of the mask, and you want to make sure that it's a little pleated, so you want to make sure that it's completely flat if you can get it. You might not be able to get it completely flat, but just as flat as possible. And then you want to make sure that the little metal part is at the top, not at the bottom. So those are some things that you want to make sure that you check out, and then make sure you center the logo, of course. So let's press. All right, so this is the finished product. Yeah, pretty easy. And I hope you guys do your mask and leave pictures down in the comments of your super easy sublimation mask. All right, you guys have a good day.